Chapter.
So these pickets, they came from a fence that was installed over there. They've been sitting here for years. Most people would have thrown them out a long time ago. I knew that someday they would come in handy. And today's that day. A friend asked me if I could make a retirement sign for her coworker. Basically, a flat sign with space for people to sign their name and to write a greeting to the retiree.
I like it.
All I have to do is come up with enough wood out of this pile of junk
Them's fighting way.
to make a flat sign that's 24 inches wide by 21 inches tall. A lot of this wood is split or it has knots, but I only need to salvage 4 pieces that are 24 inches long. Here I'm cutting off the rough edges. Now this piece is cupped a bit too much, so here's a way to compensate. I'm going to cut it down the middle and then use the 2 pieces on the ends of my sign. For the finish, I'm going to apply a natural sanding sealer, also known as unwaxed shellac. I've started using shellac more and more lately. It makes for a great first coat to seal the wood. It dries very fast. If I want a glossier look, I can always apply a polyurethane on top of it. If this were a waxed shellac, the poly might not stick so well. For the letters on my sign, I could use stickers, I could paint them, or I could carve them using a router. I found these at Hobby Lobby for just a few bucks. Seems like a good, quick, and easy solution. I don't really care for spray-on polyurethane. It goes on extremely thin and it's hard to get a nice, even, and durable finish. I picked these up for a few bucks at an estate sale, so I might as well use them up. My wooden greeting card is now complete. All it needs now is a party to attend. This is a great way for people to write their name and a brief message to the retiree. But the same idea can be used for a baby shower, birthday party, or other special event. It's a great way to get your message across and give a nice gift to the honoree. Total cost for this project was under 10 bucks, but I could have also painted the letters on. Then the total cost would have been $0, which, by the way, is a very nice price. Thanks for watching Allie Picked, where I love making cool things out of junk. If you like this video, I'd appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Allie Picked, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on the bell. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.